Hey, gang, Puppy here. This is Sherline Lathe Cross Slide Hand Wheel Upgrade 1. Now, this will only work if you have an inch lathe. If you have a metric lathe, this ain't going to work because this hand wheel or one lot like it is already there. So you're screwed if you got a metric lathe. But if you have a Sherline inch lathe, you take off that cross slide hand wheel and you put this on, a metric hand wheel. Immediately you go from 50 graduations around here to 100. Now, my experience using a Sherline lathe, the discrepancy of 1/1000th of an inch is critical with the parts I was making on it. Small parts, tight tolerances. Already, you're not guessing at 1/1000th, you're knowing at 1/1000th. Part 2 of this is when I put the adjustable collar on it, so that 0 can always be where you want it to, not where it happens to end up somewhere. Yeah,